Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Topic for today is control accounts. I won't be long, I promise. My previous video was deleted entirely, so I have to do it over. The two control accounts that I'll be doing today is accounts receivables and accounts payables, and this video will highlight the main points that you need to know as it relates to control accounts. Now, the accounts receivables control account is sometimes called debtors control account, and the accounts payables control account is also called creditors control account. You'll see these names interchangeably, so when you see them, just don't think it's a different thing. So the first benefit that I have is that it speeds up the process of producing management accounting information. Now we know that in an organization there are so many transactions being taken place, there are so many accounting related activities, and the control account is used to consolidate these information that we would get from the general ledger without eliminating any relevant information to produce the same results. In other words, the control account summarizes the sub-accounts of the general ledger to reduce the amount of detail so that can be easily interpreted, analyzed by the users of the financial statements. Assets and liabilities. I say assets and liabilities because we are speaking of debtors and creditors. Now, when someone owes the organization, it's an asset to the company, but when the company owes someone or a company, then it's a liability to the company. Another purpose of the control account is that it identifies errors in the subsidiary ledgers. Now, the subsidiary ledgers, what are these? We keep speaking of them and we don't know what they are. Now, these subsidiary ledgers are the account receivable subsidiary ledgers and the accounts payable subsidiary ledgers. These are used to record all sales related information and all purchases related information so that the control account can get its beginning and closing balance from it. So in other words, the control account is used to manage these subsidiary ledgers. Now the sources of control account, meaning where does the control account get its information from? It gets it from the sales and purchases day book, the cash book, and the sales and purchases return book. Now, in every topic or almost every topic in accounting, there's a disclaimer. There's this one thing that we have to know in order to get it right. And in control account is that cash sales and cash purchases are not recorded. You will see it in a lot of questions. They will put it there to throw you off. But once you know, being that I am telling you right now, then you will know not to make that mistake. So it should not be included in the control account. That's it for the necessary points as it relates to control account. This should allow you to have a better understanding on how to approach it. Coming up shortly is the format of each control account, so pay keen attention, see what's included, see what's not included, and what should be eliminated. Official end of the video. I hope this was beneficial. I hope you learned a lot. As usual, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.